Handpans have many different scales, and you probably already know this by now. I'm going to show you the earth scale right now and how the notes are set up on this instrument. In the center we have a D, it's the lowest note. The next lowest note is the A. We have a B flat, C, D, E, F, and A. If you play them in series, from low to high, it sounds like this. You can also go from top down. Once again, the notes are D, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, and A. A, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, and D. You may also notice that there's 2 Ds and 2 As on this handpan. There's a low D in the center and a higher D on the left-hand side. There's a low A and a high A. So sometimes beginners get confused because they don't know that there's a difference between a low and a high A, or a low D and a high D. So just to let you know, those are called octaves. In music, if you have a low pitch and a high pitch that are the same name with the same letter name, like C or D, those are called octaves. So in this instrument we have D octaves, we have A octaves. All of the other notes that have on this handpan, they just have one octave only, or not one octave, just one note only. So F, E, C, and B flat. Those are just individual notes. So you can play those as they are. But sometimes people get confused with terms like octave. What is that? So that's what an octave is. It's just 2 notes that have slightly different sound, a low and a high, but they have the same letter name, like D or A.